What's up, everybody? I'm back with another Tool Deals video, and I'm running late today. So today, well, we just have some deals. I had to actually shave some off because I wanted to talk about uh, some tools, some accessories rather, from a member of the community who is providing discounts today and tomorrow on his product. So we'll get to that. Well, first, before I even get to Lowe's, I just want to say that if you get any value from my videos, I ask that you like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. Come on, man. Did you hear that? That's worth a sub, right? I make these videos all year round, not just during the Black Friday season. So make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any deals. So, all right, Lowe's. Remember I talked about this yesterday. Good deal, right? But when I tried, look at this, free delivery. I tried to add it to the cart, and then I tried to view cart, and then when I went to say, hey, ship it to home, look at this. Oh, sorry, we're having issues with availability. We don't have any more. I sorry. I'm like, okay. So then when I went to go try to pick it up at the nearest Lowe's, it was like, oh, yeah, you can't do that either. Like, basically told me the same thing. And then look at this. Yeah, see, look. Oh, no, it's not available. Sorry, you have to remove it. But when I said, well, what about scheduled delivery? What if I paid y'all extra? Oh, yeah, we could do that. $80. Yeah. So for an extra $80, it's no problem for them to deliver the thing. Yo, you know, I really try and to give Lowe's some credit, man. I try to keep my mouth shut because I'm trying to be more diplomatic these days. But this is just why nobody likes Lowe's, okay? Lowe's, for real. This is why you're so far behind Home Depot. What is the meaning of this? You have it available. And then when I try to get it shipped to home, oh, we don't have none. But if I paid you extra dollars, oh, you got some all of a sudden. Yo, I can't with them. So moving on, Aaron. Okay, so Aaron's gonna leave a comment, and I'm gonna pin it in the comment section, so you can reach out to him about his product. So Aaron, he makes custom holders for batteries and tools. So you see him here. You have the a holder for M18 tools. He has Works battery holders. He has Metabo battery holders. He has Metabo HBT. He has DeWALT. I mean, he has everything. And I don't even think because my son, the way he ships everything, he ships it in a nice bubble wrap. All the stuff is nicely packaged, and he has labels on there to tell you what's what. Well, my son ripped all the labels out. Oops, yo, look, Daddy, they're all gone. I'm like, dude, God, now I don't know what goes to what. But I'm not sure if he sent me any Bosch battery holders. But I know the Makitas were good, but I don't. One of these battery holders holds the Bosch batteries perfectly. So I'm not sure if he made those, but specifically for Bosch. But he do have some that fit, and I just wish my son didn't rip the thing out, and I could tell you exactly which one it was. But it's not the M18 stuff. No, I don't see the Bosch stuff on here. Yeah, dude, one of those battery holders holds Bosch batteries perfectly. So I'll try to see if I can figure out which one it is. I'll send you a picture, and maybe you could label it and you can create a new listing. But yeah, so anyway, they're going to be on sale, 20% off. I think it ends today or tomorrow, he told me, and I just wanted to put that out there. I've used them, very good products, and it is a member of our community. So let's support one another. If anybody else sells anything, let me know, reach out to me, and I will try to do the same. So moving on over to Ohio Power Tools. Does this look familiar? It should, because I've only been talking about it all year long when it was $59.99. And I told you guys it's not supposed to be this cheap. Don't look at it and be like, that's cheap, so it might not be good. It's not supposed to be this cheap. And now it's $130.87. And it's not even. I think this is actually on sale. Bam! Look, there it is. Ohio Power Tool is still 60. Now they changed it to $69.99 for the past 5 days. I noticed it was $69.99, and yeah, it's still $69.99 on Amazon if you wanted this. Look, I'm telling y'all, this thing is good. This actually in this new house I've been getting everything together. This is what I've been using. This is what I've been using to do everything. Change the locks, install things. I installed the mailbox into the post and drove them wood screws in perfectly fine. This is what I've been using. It's lightweight, it's small, it's smooth, it's quiet. I love this thing. Anyway, moving on. As a reminder, over here at Acme Tools, it took me a long time to work out. There's a lot of weird stuff going on. This is very deep, this promotion. This is still going on. I talked about it some weeks ago where if you purchase one of these bare tools, you get a free starter kit. And usually it's the other way around. You buy the starter kit and you get a free tool. But all these, ooh, I just talked about this yesterday, 2 days ago. This one-handed circular saw, like how I use this over my Metabo HBTs because it's just small, compact, it's usually easy to handle, and it's smooth. It's nice. The only thing that is a little weird is like the safety. You expect it to be this button that you push and it switches, but it doesn't. It just pushes in and it's like spongy. So you have to push it in, and while you're still holding it, activate it. But you get used to it. So when you add one of these tools to cart, and remember this is $129 normally, and it's on sale for $129. That's what I paid for it last year at Home Depot. It's on sale at Home Depot for $129. When you go to the cart, you get a free starter kit. It's a starter kit with a charger and a 3 amp hour battery. All right, so excellent deal right there. Much better than what's happening over there at Home Depot. Speaking of what's better than Home Depot, this same Milwaukee 599 4-tool combo kit. So we're all familiar with this. The hammer drill, it's Gen 4 hammer drill, Gen 4 impact driver. You got a flashlight and it articulates and stuff, and you have the fuel oscillating tools, the M18 with the auto sense and all that. You get a 6 amp hour battery, and is that a high output? You get a high output 6 amp hour battery, and you get a high output 3 amp hour battery. I was trying to make sure it's a high output 3 amp hour battery because I really can't see that image that well. There it is. Yep. High output 3 amp hour battery. And you get to select both of your tools here. Now, over at Home Depot, it's not working out like that. Like, you got to go to one and they'll say, oh, we're going to give you a free router, but you get to choose your one other tool. And again, over here, that's not the case. And I appreciate that you could just select your own two tools. They have like 7 tools to choose from where Home Depot has 13. So if you see something over here at Home Depot that you like that Acme Tools doesn't have, then you want to just go in store and take advantage of that deal. But the thing is, if you come over here to Acme Tool and get it, it's going to be cheaper because one, you see Rakuten doing all its things. Well, Rakuten is a free cashback extension. You could do it on your phone. You could do it on the desktop. And if you use my link in the description, you'll get a bonus $40 when you first sign up and make a purchase of at least $40. But even if you've already done that, you still get the 2% cash back, which is better than nothing when you're spending $600. And that's if you were going to keep everything. A lot of people are not, and they're going to, return some items at Home Depot. But if you are going to keep everything, then again, I highly recommend you go to Acme Tool. You don't have to drive to the store. You can just pick both of your free gifts here, and there you go. Moving on to Direct Tools. This Ryobi is a starter kit. It's a 2 amp hour starter kit with the little baby charger. The weakest batteries with the weakest charger. And you get a free fogger. The funny thing is, though, this fogger is legit $75, and this is not the same free fogger from last year. This is a heavier duty one with a bigger tank, and it's $30. Now, once you add the little $15 shipping, of course, it's $45, but that's still way cheaper because over here, for like I said, just for the tool only, it's $75, and if you want the kit, it's $109. So there you go. Moving on, and this will be it. I wanted to talk about these scan tools. This kind of came in time for me because I'm having a problem with the Phaeton. Like I said, kind of mentioned it before in passing, the trunk won't close. And, everything in that car is electronic. And this company reached out to me, XTOOL. I've seen them. I've even heard Scotty Kilmer talk about their tools and stuff. And they're good. They sent me their D8, which is their biggest. They sent me their D8, and I have used it, and it is very good. It's usually almost $800. It's on sale right now for $699. You can get an extra 10% off. But for the average homeowner and DIYer, you don't need this one. If you want to be fancy, If you want to be fancy, get their D7. It pretty much does what the D8 does. Like the differences between the two is stuff even I don't understand. I've been working on cars since I was 17, and you don't know how old I am, so that's not really saying a lot. But I ain't nowhere near 17. And the difference is, somebody asked in the comments, the difference is the D8 can support ECU coding, which I kind of thought the D7 did, and CANFD protocol. I don't even know what that is. And the D8 has more special functions. Now, here's the thing about those special functions, because you may be looking like, well, the D7 only has 36 services, and the D8 has 38 services. Well, those special functions are going to be dependent upon the car. So I tested this on my 2001 LX470, and between this one right here and the D8, I mean, they did the exact same things because my car is a 2001. It's not that advanced. So, depending on your car, if you got a 2022 something, then yeah, maybe you want to go D7 or maybe even D8. D8 if you like own the shop or something like that. But if you just at home, get the D7 then. And you'll be fine if you got a newer car. But if all your stuff is older, like before 2006, like mine, I mean, this will be fine. Now, the thing that the D7 and D8 can do that can't, though, is program keys. Ooh, boy, can program keys. And I haven't done that yet. I'll update when I do, and I'll show you guys how I do it. But I just wanted to let you guys know, because they did tell me that they were going to be having sales for Black Friday, and this, they're happening now. You get 15% off this one, and which will make this almost right around $400. And that is not a lot of money for a high-end scan tool. It's bidirectional. You don't know what bidirectional means. It just simply means that normally, like I've made a video a while ago on this one right here, and it was like 20 something dollars. Boom. It's for Android phones only. I got this thing 5 years ago. Somebody stole it promptly. You see, I bought it February 2017. I ain't no lie. I got it 5 years ago. And it works really good, but it's not bi-directional. All it does is just pull codes from the car, right? And you need to download an app on your Android phone, which I used Torque Pro. And it was good at diagnosing like what was wrong with my car. But that's it. That's all it does is pull stuff. And I'll leave a link to that too, because like I said, it works pretty good. But this one is bi-directional. So this one will not only pull a whole lot of stuff off, way more than that other one does. This is way more advanced. It'll also send signals and messages to the car. Like I can control the seats and the steering column and the mirrors just all from my tablet standing outside my car. And so this is pretty cool. Now, the only thing is when you first get this, you got to update it. So you got to plug it into the car and leave your car running the whole time it's updating, and it needs to be connected to the internet, this and your tablet. And your tablet needs to be connected to the internet, and this will tether off of the tablet or your cell phone, and it'll do all of its updates, and it takes a minute. Just make sure your device don't go to sleep, and it might do like 30 minutes to 45 minutes. You got to leave the car running the whole time. Anyway, I'll make more videos showing you guys how it works. It's pretty cool to watch all the stuff move inside the car, turn on lights and all that from your phone and from your tablet. But this thing works really, really good, and I would highly recommend it. So that is it for today's video, you guys. Something a little different. I wanted to kind of feature some things from people who have helped me out with the channel and members of the community, and they have good products. So with that said, I will see you guys next time.